Hello researchers, coming back to the next video. Very important announcement today has been made by UGC. UGC care listed journals have been discontinued. So UGC scrapped UGC care listed journals. So what does it mean? So here afterwards, are you free not to publish anything, or you can publish any journal, whatever you like? No, please understand there are a lot of misconception about this. UGC has abolished the UGC care listed journal. That is as a process of decentralizing the journal list. It means to say that UGC has given freedom to the each university to decide the journal. Each higher education institution, especially the body who is giving the PhD degree, they can decide what type of journal their research scholars can publish, what type of metric they can use. So generally, what will happen in this juncture? First of all, it is not. If you think that you no need to publish any journal, that's wrong. Definitely, you need to publish in journal. Number two, if you ask me, definitely all the universities they have to maintain a separate journal list as per the criteria. What UGC managed as a central list, now UGC has asked to maintain the similar list by the every university. So now university can decide. University has certain freedom to add and delete certain thing, but still, in case university doesn't follow the proper procedure to add the journal, in case they endorse the poor journal, it will affect the university reputation. So now the responsibility is on university. So university will really take very much care on suggesting only a quality journal. Number one. Number two, what I believe, each university will set up a separate research committee, and there'll be expert professors from university department, other important university affiliated colleges, and they will decide what other journal can be added into their list. But in my opinion, in the long run, obviously Scopus indexed journal will come into the picture. Why? If any university, if they want to go for a good ranking, the Scopus indexed journal publications are very essential to get the ranking. Even for NIRF and all other thing, if a university has more publication on Scopus index journal, it is advantage. So it is indirectly necessary for the university to publish quality papers. That quality, how will they measure the quality? That is through Scopus indexed journal papers, as well as Web of Science indexed journal paper, and all other citation indexed science indexed journal. The main reason why the UGC is given a freedom, if anything goes wrong, so far we were telling that only UGC has given the care list or published it. So we will point out the UGC about the quality. Now here afterwards, if particular university is not maintaining the standard, it is the university is responsible for losing its reputation. So every university has to maintain the standard so that it meets the requirement. Because in the today's the notice by the UGC chairman has given a clear instruction how the higher education institutions have to maintain the standard. Why they are centralizing this particular UGC care listed journal? The reason is they want to give more autonomy to the individual institutions. They can add certain local needed things into the journal list also. That means, for instance, a tribal, I'm giving an example. A tribal literature students want to publish a journal, which is they do not have, means some journal which is getting published for a long period of time in the particular domain. Now, university has the authority to include that journal as one of the main journals the student has to publish and get the degree in a tribal studies in that way. So now, advantage is they can take some journal which is very long standing in the field that can be taken, because earlier UGC care, it was not like that. Only very few journal got listed, and there are so many predatory journal, fake journal. Now university has the complete responsibility to check all these things. So now one advantage, university can recommend local journals also into the list, number one. But at the same time, that local journal, if they do not comply the standard, it is a headache to the university. Then somebody will point a finger at university stating that this university is accepting to publish a paper in such kind of a low quality journal. Then university name will spoil. So I feel that university cannot take such a lethargic step in a long run, because all the universities also coming under the NIRF ranking and their NAC accreditation ranking it comes. If they do not have proper publication, it will affect the university ranking. Once it affects the university ranking, their central funding also will reduce. So in my opinion, all the universities will strive for a standard publications only. Even there may be a small relaxation in the beginning, but in the long run, definitely all the universities have to maintain a standard. For that standard, they will follow a stringent policy to add the journal and remove the journal. That's what will happen. But we need to wait and see. But the thing is, it will not be a centralized rule. It will change university to university. For instance, in a particular state, there may be 20, 30 universities, but all the 30 universities may not have the common rule. Each university, according to their local domain, local area, they may add certain addition and deletion. So that is the advantage. But the researcher, I strongly advise you, always aim for a good journal publication. That is only good for you in the future long run. Otherwise, if you have done in a normal journal and it is not at all is going to help you at some time, definitely will be a problem to you. So always aim for a good journal. Now other journal, they think that you can publish in any normal journal just to pay some very petty amount, 500,000, you get it published. No, always approach a peer-reviewed journal, because UGC has given a clear policy how the journal should be. Peer-reviewed policy also they have given, the selection procedure policy also they have given. I will give all those things in the link. It is already there in the UGC website also. You can go and check it up. I will add those things in the link. You can, if you want, you can just ping me in my WhatsApp number. I will share to you and what are the NTA rules and regulations. So finally, UGC CARE list has been dismantled, that it has been abolished. That's correct. But it doesn't mean that you don't require to publish any journal paper. You need to publish. But the only thing, instead of UGC controlling which journal you need to publish, now your university, that is the university which you are doing PhD, under which university you are doing PhD, that university will decide the journal list. Third thing, the university, it is mandatory for the university to follow the standard procedure to add the journal, remove the journal. If they fail to comply the policy in the what you call, after some time, it will become a problem of the university. So I feel that definitely university will follow the proper standard of suggesting the journal to publish. So the point is, even though there are advantages as well as I don't say any disadvantage. Disadvantage means sometime there may be a chance for university to add a very normal journal also, but it's up to the university. If they are ready to take, they are ready to take a stake on their university name, let them do. But you as a researcher, please ensure that you always target high quality publication. That is always better. And always try the journal which is long standing in the field. That will be always better. And select a peer reviewed journal. And if you have an opportunity to publish in Scopus Index and Web of Science, always try that. That is only going to help you in the long run. If you have got any other doubt, and you just ping me in the comment section, I will clarify what doubt. And till then, I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye from Dr. Rajshekhar. One important thing, do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get next video when I post immediately. Thank you. Bye-bye.